We had the Win Expo with Rich from Nilfisk, who's going to talk to us about their cleaning technology.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for stopping by our booth. I want to talk about a few things. Number one, we manufacture a wide range of cleaning equipment. This is an industrial vacuum that runs on a lithium battery. But one of the things that's unique is we have what are called carbon fiber poles. These only weigh 4 pounds, and this allows us to go up and do overhead dusting and cleaning. These are telescopic, so you can actually raise this up to whatever height you want. This is a 25-foot pole. So I actually, if you're seeing, I can go all the way up to the ceiling here, not get on a scissor lift or get on a ladder and risk falling, and I can actually run my vacuum through this. So if I have to do overhead cleaning, if I have to get up and do dusting of cobwebs and soil and dirt that might be up above, allows us to do overhead cleaning while staying safe and being on the ground. So this is just one example of a unique product that we manufacture. These go hand in hand with our wide range of vacuum cleaners. We have all different size vacuum cleaners. So that's one thing that's kind of unique. We also manufacture a wide range of floor scrubbers. So little 17-inch machines where you have to work around equipment. We have large ride-on machines. We make machines that go in warehouses that clean and sweep large warehouses. We have sweepers. We have a small vacuum cleaner. This is our smallest new introduction. It's a lithium battery operated mop. And so it's very, very simple to use. You turn it on here, and now I can actually run this. I can turn up the volume of water or adjust it right here, but it's a cordless scrubber. So now I can come into maybe, if you have a small area that you need to clean, a break room, maybe you want to clean your tasting room or something like that. Someone drops some wine down on the ground. I can actually use this small mop, and it's got 2 separate tanks. It's got a clean water tank and a dirty water tank. So it allows you to pick up the debris, deposits it in a dirty water tank. As you can see visually, the dirty water that's going in there. And so this is a very popular little machine. So if you have any cleaning equipment needs, let us know. We would be happy to show you and bring out equipment, do site surveys. So feel free to get a hold of us at any time. So thank you so much.
Thanks, Rich.
Take care.